Hi students. Now let's see a program to implement the call by reference inside the structure. So in the call by reference, what we do? We have to pass the address instead of values. So what I'm doing here is I defined a one structure here, struct example two variables. Then I initialize the values here. 10 is for the A, 45.62 is the B. Then I'm calling a one function called a my function. For the my function, what I'm doing is just struct example asterisk I wrote it here, not like a just struct example some normal variable is one. So the members before modification, just I'm printing s dot a, s dot b. Okay, fine. Then after modification, see here, this is calling. So what I'm doing here is I wrote ampersand of s. What is this ampersand indicates? Address. Okay. So then after that, I'm printing the values here. S dot E after the modification. So now see, when I pass that as an address, how do you receive it? You have to receive it as a pointer, because pointer can only store the address of a variable. So this pointer, which type I have to declare? Because I'm passing the structure, so that's why I declared this as a of type structure example. And whenever it is the pointer, instead of the dot, you have to use which operator? Arrow operator. So using the S1, I modified the values by adding the 10 to those variables. Then so this also, let's print it inside the function. Structures member after modification in function. In my function. So let's see here, when I modified here, that will be modified in the main also. So S1, this is arrow. And S1 arrow. See the result here. After 10, 45.619. After adding the plus to those, 10 is 20, 45 is the 55. Then in the main also, see the structure members of the modification, A equal to 20, B equal to 55, because I implemented this